Right, so we're now on to question 6 of the second level algebra revision worksheet. And it's another number machine. The difference this time though is there's two things happening to the number that you put in. Okay, we're not just multiplying by 3 and then a number's popping out. We're multiplying by 3 and then whatever that answer is, we're taking away 2 before the number comes out the end. So it says what number comes out when 8 is put into the machine. Okay, so if we put the number 8 in here, the first thing we do with the 8 is times it by 3. So what's 8 times 3? Well, if you check your tables, it's 24. Right, but we're not done yet, because that number 24 that's popped out here, we've then to take 2 away. So if we take 2 away from the 24, we end up with 22. Okay, so the answer to that is 22 has come out, and you could work your way back just to check that that's, if you reversed it, you'd get back to what you started with. 22 add 2 is 24, 24 divided by 3 takes you back to 8. Right, question B is what number was put in if 31 comes out? So again, we're starting at this end and reversing back, the same as we did for question 5. So we're not starting with 31, we're not multiplying by 3 and taking away 2. We're starting here and we're going backwards through the machine. So 31 going in here, and instead of taking away 2, because we're going backwards, we do the opposite of taking away 2, which is adding 2. So 31 backwards through the machine, add 2. Which makes 33. Okay, so we've got 33 coming to here, and then we need to not multiply by 3. We're going to do the opposite of multiplying by 3, which is dividing by 3. So we then divide that by 3. Hopefully you can see 33 divided by 3 gives me 11. You could do a wee sum just to check, but there we go. Okay, right, question 7. A bit more to question 7. It says a bar stool has 4 legs. So let's try and picture a bar stool with 4 legs. So it's like a big high stool with 4 legs. Copy the table showing the total number of legs. Okay, so if you only get 1 bar stool, you're going to have 4 legs. If you've got 2 bar stools, you're going to have double the number of legs. You're going to have 8 legs because each of those 2 bar stools has got 4 legs. So 2 lots of 4 legs makes 8. So if we keep going, 3 bar stools have 4 legs each. 3 lots of 4 legs makes 12. 4 lots of 4 legs is 4 fours is 16. 5 lots of 4 legs, 5 fives makes 20. 6 lots of 4 legs, 6 fours are 24. Okay, so if you look at the table, it's going up in 4 each time. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So that's basically the numbers in the 4 times table you're seeing there. So that's us done part A, copy the table showing the total number of legs. B says make up a function machine to show how to calculate the number of legs given the number of stools. So it's basically saying if you put a 1 in, you get a 4 out. If you put a 2 in, you get an 8 out. 3 goes in, 12 comes out. So what are we doing to these numbers each time? What did I do to get these numbers? Well, because each stool has got 4 legs, we times that number going in by 4 to get that number come out. So 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12. So the answer to the machine is we times by 4. Okay?